This man was making a sandwich and noticed something weird every time he dropped it. It always landed butter side down. Then he looked at his cat and realized, no matter the height, it always lands on its feet, needing energy. He got a crazy idea. He attached the buttered sandwich to the cat, lifted it up, and dropped it. Suddenly, the sandwich cat combo started spinning in midair, creating infinite zero-emission energy. He built a generator out of a washing machine and put them inside, and everything lit. Do you think this kind of energy could actually power the entire world? Or is this the most chaotic invention ever created? Write your opinion in the comments.